Whole life insurance is a type of permanent policy that covers you for your entire life while building a cash value component. Unlike term life insurance, which lasts for a specific number of years, whole life is designed to stay in force until you pass away. As long as you pay your premiums, the policy remains active, providing a guaranteed death benefit for your beneficiaries. These policies combine a death benefit with a savings element that can grow at a fixed, tax-deferred rate. The main difference is that term insurance is purely for protection, while whole life acts as both insurance and a long-term asset. Because whole life provides lifelong coverage and cash accumulation, the monthly premiums are typically much higher than those for term policies. Most financial experts suggest looking at your specific goals, like legacy planning, before committing to higher costs. Thanks for watching. Always review your policy details carefully with a professional. Check the description for more educational content.